Magus, what is your take on racism and sexism?
Interesting question. Isms, racism, sexism, nepotism, tribalism, all of these isms, they all come under the same energetic umbrella. So let's reverse engineer it. Let's use racism. Racism is supposedly born out of hate. And where does hate come from? Hate almost always comes from fear. It's a malformation of energy that finds its root in fear. And what is fear? Fear is essentially false education appearing real. So fear is born out of a miscommunication, a breakdown in communication. And where does breakdown in communication result from? It normally results from people telling a lie. When an individual has received the wrong type of information, aka a lie, it often manifests in fear. And fear often manifests as hate. And it's through hate and prejudice that you get the isms from your racism and all of those funny, nasty words, which all mean the same thing. Someone has miseducated you. Someone has lied to you. And the lie has resulted in you being afraid. At a deeper level, at an unconscious level, it's fear manifesting as hate. Now the real question is, where is the misinformation coming from? And that's when we really go into the rabbit hole. It's probably something I will discuss a little bit more in another video. But suffice it to say, there's an intelligence operating in the universe whose job it is to test mankind, to see how strong we truly are. And often one of its tools of trade is misinformation. Hence, it's not a surprise that biblically the energy of Satan, people could call it Satan or Saturn, is often called the father of lies. If you want to get rid of the isms from your society, the first thing that has to happen is a reorientation. Being born again, not from a physical point of view, but from a mental point of view. You would need to have, first of all, access to the right information. And then you will find that the giant tree of isms crumble within themselves.
Wow,